Learn to spell part 4.
Hey kids, welcome to the Toy Mix Show. Today it's number 4 spelling words.
It is.
Yeah.
Are you ready to start your spelling test?
Yes.
Okay. Sit. S-I-T. Sit. Are you ready for the first word?
Yes.
Okay, the first word is sit.
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 Sit. Slowly.
Sit. Sit. Hit. H-I-T. Hit. Are you ready for the next word?
Yeah.
The next word is hit.
Ha ha. Hit.
Hit.
I-T.
Hit. Hit. Bit. B-I-T. Bit. Are you ready for the next word?
Yes.
Okay. The next word is bit.
Bit. Bit.
Bit.
Bit. Bit. I'm gonna do it again.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, that's a verb, baby.
Let's see. Bit. Bit. Fit. F-I-T. Fit. Are you ready for the next word?
Yeah.
Okay, the next word is fit. Fit.
F-I-T. There.
Fit. Fit. Kit. K-I-T. Kit. Are you ready for the next word?
Yeah.
Kit. Kit.
Stop at that one and not.
Kit. 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 This. T-H-I-S. This. Are you ready for the next word?
Yes.
Okay. The next word is this.
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 This. Okay. This. This. Have. H-A-V-E. Have. Are you ready for the last word?
Yes.
The word is have.
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 A.
Have.
V. E.
Have. 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 Are you ready to open up your Kinder Joys?
Yes.
Let's see what surprises are inside of them. I'm so excited.
Ta-da! Here's your spoon.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so So what did you get inside of that?
Bounty painter.
You did? Oh, that's so exciting. Well, what kind of candy is over there?
It's chocolate. It's chocolate.
Oh my goodness, it is chocolate. Are you ready to open the next one?
Yeah!
Okay, let's open the next one.
Here's this one. It comes with a spoon. This one's the surprise toy. This one's a bird.
Let me see.
It's a bird. Here's all the pieces and it comes with instructions.
Okay. Oh, so now you have a bunny and a bird. How about that? Let's open up another one.
So this one's the surprise one, which is this one, and that's the chocolate one. Either this side. It's another bunny.
Is it?
Yes.
It's a different color.
It's.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
They're like a
Two
family.
bunnies and a bird.
Let's open the next one.
Let's open the next one.
Oh, this one is going to be a different one. It's... So there's a head.
A goofy head.
It's not really a goofy head. It looks angry. The head on it. Okay, he's like a frog.
Oh, those are nice.
Let's open the next one.
Okay, let's open the next one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one's the toy one. I guess so. It's the same one as that one.
It is.
It's the same one.
Oh my goodness. Well, now you have an extra one to share with someone, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll give that one to Riley. So I'm going to put this on the... Put that right there. Put the feet right there. And push him in there. Oh, finally got him together. Here's two twins.
There's twins. Let's see what's in that last Kinder egg. Are you
Then
ready?
we'll eat the chocolate.
Yes, then you can eat the chocolate.
And take the spoon off. And open this. Oops. Oh, we got the bird.
A bird.
A bird again.
Again, a bird.
It's a bird. Let me see the instruction of this bird. I wonder where the feet goes. What's the feet? We got another bird.
We did.
Yes.
Let's see.
We got two birds.
We have two bunnies and two birds and two frogs. Oh, how exciting.
Yeah.
All right.
Made the
Oh, and you got that candy.
It's chocolate.
Oh, it's got chocolate in it. Looks good. You going to taste it?
Yes. Oh, this is peanut butter. Oh.
Is that good?
Yeah.
It is? It's very good, isn't it? Do you like your Kinder Joys? Good job. Good job.
shove the whole thing in my mouth.
You're going to shove the whole thing in your mouth?
Oh. Oh.
That's good, huh?
Oh, yeah. Oh. Thank you for watching my video. Bye, kids. I'll see you next time. Another chocolate. I need a spoon.
Do you really think you need another chocolate?
Yeah.
I don't think you do.
I have one another chocolate.